Hey Common, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I missed you. Call me back.
Hi everyone, it's Joyce from Pwuffy and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen the meme of Bernie sitting in a chair, but you guys crop him into different places, and I found that was so cute and so funny, and I wanted to show you guys how to make a charm of him. I haven't looked too closely in the picture, but it does seem detailed, so I'll be simplifying Bernie into a little chubby man, and I find that pretty cute. So yeah, I'm so excited for this video, and let's get started. Here are the clay colors you'll need. I have white, black, dark brown, light blue, and a peachy skin tone. You will also need wire to make his glasses. I personally like gold, but I will link other colors in the description. Let's start off with the face. Roll the skin tone clay into a ball and slightly flatten it out to make the front of his face. Shape the head into a slight rounded triangular shape. Thankfully, Bernie has a very receded hairline, so we will just make the hair around the backside of his head. Take off a piece of white clay and roll it into a thick strand. Flatten this out and wrap it around his head. Make sure to pat it down so it sticks more to his head. Next, we make the mask, which is very important. Take your ball of light blue clay and lightly roll it out. Flatten it into a thin sheet. Make sure the sheet can cover the entire bottom half of Bernie's face. Next, take your X-Acto knife and cut out a rectangle from the sheet. I recommend doing this on a flat surface, but for video purposes I am using my finger. Make sure this fits on Bernie. Then use your knife to make 2 lines on the mask for the folds. Before we put on the mask, we need to make the ears. Take a small ball of skin tone clay and split it in 2. Roll each of the pieces into tiny balls and stick them on the face where the ears would be. Now to make the strings on the mask, roll out a ball of white clay into a thin string. Cut off strands and stick them from the ears to the center of the face. They don't have to be the same length because the mask will cover up any differences. Now you can place the blue mask on. Make sure the white strands are long enough to be covered by the mask. To make the eyes, use a dotting tool and make 2 holes where the eyes would be. Roll a piece of black clay and slice off 2 symmetrical pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and stick them into the eye holes. For the glasses, take a piece of gold wire and wrap it around round nose pliers. Make sure you leave a little bit of wire between the 2 lenses, but not too much so that it can't match his eye spacing. Place these on his head. Next, we make his puffy jacket. Take off a piece of black clay and roll it into a ball. Then roll one end so it becomes a cone. Flatten it out so we can differentiate the front and the back with the sides, and flatten out the bottom as well. To make the jacket seem puffy, take a knife and cut out a 6-pack on each side. Make sure to connect the front and sides. Then, cut off the tip so it's easier to stick on the head. For the arms, take a ball of black clay and slice off 2 symmetrical pieces. Roll each into a cone and make 2 indents with an X-Acto knife on each of the arms to make them puffy. Stick these on each side of Bernie's jacket. Now for the mittens, we have to simplify them into just a brown blob, but feel free to use tiny paintbrushes or pens to draw on some designs. Take a piece of brown clay and cut it in half so that both sides are tiny and symmetrical. Roll these into balls and stick them at the end of each jacket arm. Now this part is optional, but I stuck a piece of gold wire into the top of the jacket so it will secure Bernie's head. It's completely fine not to, and Bernie's head will stay just fine without the wire as long as he is glazed. Now for the pants, take a ball of black clay and shape it into a mini version of the shape we made for the jacket. Make an indent with your knife to mark the space between the legs. Cut off the fatter part of the legs where we will be connecting to the jacket. For the shoes, take a piece of dark brown clay and make 2 symmetrical balls. Stick these at the feet. Now to make Bernie extra cute, we have to add blush. Take 2 balls of pink clay and stick them at the cheeks. Take an eye pin and place it on the top of Bernie's bald spot. Now bake your clay according to the instructions on the package, and I will see you after. Welcome back, everyone. This is how Bernie looks after I baked him. As always, the first thing I like to do after a charm cools down is to take off the eye pin, apply some super glue on it, and then put it back in. This way the charm won't fall off. If you see any dust on the surface of your charm, you can easily remove it by scraping it off with your X-Acto knife. Now Bernie looks nice and clean and ready to be glazed. Take a tiny paintbrush and glaze over the entire charm. You can use pliers to hold onto the eye pin when you glaze to prevent UV resin from getting onto your fingers. It takes about 3 minutes to eliminate all stickiness from UV resin, but I will also be linking a pricier brand that will decrease the curing time by half. For a smooth finish, I recommend glazing twice. And here's the finished Bernie. Doesn't he look so adorable? Thank you guys so much if you guys made it this far. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and you guys learned something out of it. And if you guys do make the Bernie charm, please tag me in your pictures. I would love to see your interpretations of him. And yeah, I'm planning on also making a sticker of him because that is easier and so much cuter. I can make him into a chubby little sticker. I'm so excited to do that. If you would like to donate to the channel, all I ask is for a like and 1 subscribe. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you next week. Bye!